Muni Hamdia. Abo, ay. Yidin konuna ay. Ambo, Mogovila Yendi. Adakulu mutu Diego Namba. Kambonje, dene Kambonje. Fancy Adakulu mutu Diego Namba. Mama Kambonje, dene Kambonje ay. Kambote. Aya. Na yelefong besi kafo. Makumila Yendi. Nana mbaka na kwanda na kana warage. Hey, I'm sorry, oh, hey. Make a link up. I'm gonna give it up. Hey, mess it up. Can link it up. 0 to 0, 0 0, 0 to 0, 0 0. Aye. Nia saya. Warma ya la lavna kakuma na nia saya. Mimia ya ka wari ya pupa na ka furka manteng banyabgo amma mangye alama na maya kanang bantu ne karapu ne kamandin pungo nglisham yesungo dabselungo program ma ya yen kam ka yiri ko ya de baba no mun cerno ngoma amana ya terna kati yen sang alkawle shelten da ba kantanga insang ta denye dene da number 1 stana barcha kana ya labna kamina pal alkawle denye dene ti yen puma ka pa japar na kan kuturana na tamlan tehne morlana mo chemina za hanye fiyatiti katalabna te boss nyanya tinto pal alkawle shelten bama man punyara yete ka tek pang man punu kara nang maya ka ka shelmin kun ka dabara shelen ku bi shapulu jabara na kan kuturana na te tamlana o kadari ya punu kara nang ma ka labsar gangsam na pa bana jama intro da ma da simsim kan munu talai bana masababi ya pune timpu ka pa ba pam yoma ka bebe kantanga ka che pirga pa na won gafara ka ba number 1 star of a TV station and a program and the number 1 star of a presenter ma abu ambuno kan chara ya nan nga barka nan apibu pune ti yini mane en chama ka bang no yulumbu na hafizu ya afama man kan sha adapal hafiz aka G-Face shi tobina nya si yang blichin bidab bizon okay en chala rugba zalni because yetu awala ya betonia kale ku tega nan gbo TV station shel ngoma de yulumbu ne NTV program mo ma mi yulumbu ne den chana ya yetu awala karapune kamenda Zen Food Spices kalisi tomato mix lanyal ka Mr Red ntepa Institute of African Art and Technology ka be arsike dimma puna ka program mo ma ka da kanna ya rather by now we turning the cameras around kazan lusuma ka bazan na ma chana ya to ama mamini yetu awala ya yina pam okay ola ka salma warba la ka salma badun ko yace maka bang na tumin Ahmed Mujahid Bello aka Fancy Gadam the super ruler warlama mamma the most decorated artist in region one na minya awoso na mwatibla here de yetu a show na mwatibla here de yetu a I mean chopping success in music de kanangba chini dagban yila no kupa hal kpambani yala ka hasada ka basuni benan proud of Fancy Gadam ne sang dagban yila in changshama hal an le risu kaman he's a main contender be competitor to Fancy Gadam Usati on record that Fancy Gadam ne number show yila punu so banole forget that people are trying to be forget that the nawula kanawula yes definitely anye kama mumu ne tambeti zo bi kamza hadwal de labradana shami bien shedi dwal sukana nan ka I understand the one yelwe shama okay so Fancy Gadam ya kena ya to warmer la up to alkawle sheldon banan da wonni something if you paga 25 da Bukum Boxing Arena one don concert ma ka dabyam le malman la concert ma ka Fancy Gadam yel ne no do so ku charna ma ya because la dabyam ma nyala dene Rapaholic yen nala on the 25th ka medical zang ukbalanzuya enchanta gbanshata wali ka yen nang bu show jabgo Ankara Sports Stadium on the same 25th ka tena mimiti Fancy Gadam ka te Bukum Boxing Arena on the same 25th dabyam no malma shapulu balama ka Fancy Gadam ya nende chaka dabyam malma ya ne Gadam national asma yilo no chaka dabyam melo so de yeto akati yen yel so we talking about the concert ma ne yeto anguma de ya ku yina ka wumle unkwende la talaka lamna minti gari ati lamna Fancy Gadam katimiru po hayen yota we talking a lot yeto ayina pam de so re chankantanga inaze mama
pese ufisi kwenye da. So pese ubiti kwenye da. So pese udolo finye naisa. So pese wakuko kwenye da. So pese uknundi de filia. So pese umandi de filia. Ukosto mesindi de filia.
FDA aji edwedie kratwo yi atomu.
Hello, good people of Ghana. This is Epsonic head office in Tamale here, and this is our agent, Mr. Red Inusa. He is a very trustable agent of Epsonic. He has been dealing business with us for more than 10 years. And if your people want to buy motor, can go to his shop. He also have a showroom in Tamale here.
Mava Dantoni, Kajevia Konsashi, Nigera Shelwanya Yung Saborle, Ateyima Karabara, Yingba Karagarla, Domisombanya, Tempir Moto Mangalia Tishana Dirta Mangma, Yingba Champid and Garlet Tiramanga, Boyena, Yunwatum Fiapta Motonema, Tangamoto Mangakache twice, Domipa Wago Blanya Songa, Absonic Daniela Kanyarango, Absonic Moton Modern Lela Wodum, Kuzul Bambara, Absonic Kamal Tool Showroom Tamalza, Bumper Palazuan Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise. Can we come in to Absonic Moton and Polonguna, Ben Lava Jimjimani, Motom Manga, Araha Pierre, Guzul Dinanya Absonic Motonum, Absonic Dangma Motonum Zoya Pam, Amani Yala Biala, Dinanya Absonic V5, Star, Beyond C5, Then Michel Welgerala, Campernum Mobarla Pam, Habi Dungeon de Sogba, Beshebu Tommy, Absonic Moto Kianum Jani, Aloba Denyo Kwambienla, Nerabelbo Pam, Nirida Absonic Moto Tessani, Chirata Susuna Katian Servicer Letrayale, Dominic Paton Mangabiani, Cariza and the Patrolacam, Kazon Galenyele, Chirata Susuna Kamoto Yemel Mosugo, Anto Lapsana Katata, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise San Antuna Chang, and Tegul Piga Absonic Moto Kamambora, Kabanondon to Kamatamata, Tome Absonic Tomadoso Karlama, Basatela Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise, Nemoquara Absonic Motonimo, and Ternir Kamdakbang Waza, Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje San Makaicha, Alanya Benelli Motos, the Bakul Pelbe Showroom, Jump to Wilpargam, Blamal RFT 150 Mapuka, NNT 150, NNT 150 Sports, Caraviel Chini, Todenka Giabara, Luciano Babiane, Passa Camboirle, TRK 251, Dama Moto Balbo Cam, Bele Absonic Motonemo, Ne Benali Motonemoza, Mr. Red Shop Money, Mr. Red Shop Mabiela Waterworks, Ayi Trampolo Sergerna, and Yagana Water Regional Laboratory, Katuru Moto Kwasoma, to Mr. Red Shituamambala, Ami Tumpunbe Waterworks Sergerna, Mr. Red Shituamam, feel free Bama Palataba, Wama Mr. Red Shituamayala, one number 0243 137223, 020 6136 730.
But you spend all your money, you go suffer for January.
Aya.
You forget, say, you're working, they determine your salary.
Aya.
When you close your account and spend the money, spending more than your capacity.
You
killing your destiny, your last money, you spend on for Lambardi. He go over you.
Hey,
I swear he go over you.
Aya.
He go over you.
Aya.
One day he go over you. He go over you.
Alright.
I swear he go over you.
Woman,
He go over you.
Dede.
One day he go over
you.
Chilling be good, but chilling with caution. Money if they blow, you go feedback. These guys that everybody can bring you confusion. If you joke, you could fall into them. Always to the one golo. Anybody you the one golo. One something they do, you one golo. Do something is some, you the one golo, you the one golo. He go over you. I swear he go over you. He go over you. One day he go. The way you they carry yourself, he go over you. I swear he go over you. He go over you. One day, fancy gadam mo mi pedede.
Woman,
you know you say me can celebrate. I say ma me can create. You know you say me can celebrate. You get nothing for your pocket. You talk high budget. Room be get home. You don't get carpet. Maybe pick your pocket. You they call access. If you buy ashes, you call us seconds.
He go over you. Bemea. Yes. The Simpson of Bunkum Namaya. Kaumia to Asha Nimbe Yila Puna. I mean, Fancy Gadam. Yes, I'm by you not. I'm my yield down Bazahan. Bazaar for your chia. Bazate, Yaya, Chama. Buntu shell, Buntu shell, the Yaya, the Paya. I'm going to go to Sheroma. The Catala Yirtoma, the Paya. Looking at this song, Mama, this seems to be a song not just for us in Northern Region here.
Oh, yeah.
The lyrical content in it, man, I'm one as a message shell across my Hadil Simpson and Nanadu. Could adopt the Lila because, yeah. Oh, my God, over. You go over. Yes. December Mono, January what?
Timizal below Nuni.
The Lord don't come and to budget.
Oh, chili too much.
No, you go over. You go over. Why we need to start with that song, man? Okay, so Yilama at the beginning. Okay. Yilama. December, you spend all your money, you go so far for January. Okay. You forget, say, you're working, they determine your salary. Okay. When you close your account and spend the money, you spending more than your capacity. You're killing your destiny. Your last money, you spend on for labadi. He go over you. I swear he go over you. Okay. He go over you. One day he go over you. Chilling be good, but chill with caution. Okay. Money you dey blow, you go fit buy mansion. Okay. These girls that my body can bring you confusion. If you joke, you go fall into temptation. Always you dey wangolo. Anybody you dey wangolo. Okay. One self no dey do you wangolo. Two some, three some, you dey wangolo, you dey wangolo. Yeah. He go over you. Yeah. I swear you go. Terapu yele te ne zongla don Google. Don Google. The Simpson come an anyer lare. Ka bang anyer dillar ma sham na hankal kam ne biana kanmana. Tomorrow come with it own problem. This uncle because me come de gula. I did lagre so dem biara den ya ma lagre ma pam ka jerle. De biara konko. Kama de bandang de kafula. Ka dama kafura. Thank you. Yila ma the attention mo chella bandika. Ka wur bama ka wontra agabo won show wala nyey kama irin 5 Ghana be irin 50 million kama na no e no o to kunyela tan kwende that's 55 million karan na be wa ke go va agabo amani afida be no nya le train kwende ko du chi la no kwende polo kata that's 65 million. So I know I have a problem. Yeah, that seems to be big advice. I know the communicate de oula bien. Yeah, taka bien. Chilema. Okay. Agbawo. Kama ton kubi the industry wa pour ma agbawo. Oh yeah, I'm an artist. Okay. The something in dir la de brand. Okay. Agbawo. Of course. But the something la communicate de oula bien. Mbele nya fasigala. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Aku nyara lagre. Ere kato da lor karle la fo. Okay. Agba kato zan ere 2.2 billion. Njante da lore. Okay. Le tuna mini kaza anu nema dabni. Ere kabona ni nyum vielmi. Abi abasa. Ya gwesere. Le tuna mini biare. Takaje bien garne ma yabo. Oi. Okay, Shayano. To didn't get a year, my Agba, Jama Chang Haji. Oh, Agba, Kame Carlin, so just to shield the pudding. Agba didn't mean anything with ya. Zone Pansolo. Zone Pansolo. Yaman, interview ma. Yella de Bashamzo Kazan. So could be born an interview one night. Okay. Kasoba Chantilan in Shapuru no interview Tora. I understand it. Nibeshamaya. Yes, wait. Okay. Agabo. So didn't Garniela Asoba Bama. Okay. Minisha Carbiara. Oh, okay. Chaptozo Cabiana Fasa Garamera battle. Manage me so battle. Okay. Manila comes in Yella Mamma number Yashan. Okay. I'm burning your bangi capital no Marisha and Biarame. Oh, Kaditama. Thank you. Okay. I check up on the Biara. So to Toma. Okay, to teach him Tony because you're to another community. No, one year. You about the man second verse. Second verse. Okay, to teach him second verse. Okay.
Fancy gadamu mi mpedede.
Okay.
You know be say mi kasabebre. Asama mi kanu kre.
Okay.
You know be say mi kasabebre.
Okay.
You get nothing for your pocket.
So, woman.
Don't talk high budget.
Okay.
Your room be ghetto. You don't get carpet.
Well, you-
Maybe picking pocket. What they call access. If you buy ashes, you go ransack it. Woman.
Love starting.
You get nothing for your pocket. Fancy gadamu mi mpedede.
Okay.
You know be say mi kasabebre.
Okay.
Asama mi kanu kre. You know be say mi kasabebre. You get nothing for your pocket. Don't talk high budget.
Okay.
Agbarmani. You get nothing for your pocket.
Okay.
Don't talk high budget. Your room be ghetto. You don't get carpet. Don't be picking pocket.
Okay.
What they call access. If you buy ashes, you go ransack it. You. Because like now need to sobene. Can't hurle. Daba 1 week 2 weeks so soon. A vie en yipolo.
Oh,
Kaso kam nyale.
okay.
Agba bo.
Ma wundab le bang le nini.
De nama.
Wundab so
Because the yina banaba yina ma to conforme.
banden mbolo to bor bana pam
Sans
ya
solo.
chale ni to
Banaba yina to conforme.
na sans solo na
To conforme.
looking at that particular song I mean it go over you to shabno mal korsene to shatun to no I mean following the international media I mean the media in southern part of Ghana ma I've seen that they have developed so much interest in this particular song. The breakdown ma on no comes and handle the breakdown either blog and you be media outlet in yari they seems to be talking about this song ma.
Yeah.
I mean I have to observe libe.
No, nye de nema zasa. Kan feel kama de wula. Like ni la jin to tiaye. Be na on la tama hankal shale.
Okay.
Kan to tiaye sabla yila ma mpa na umpa. No to tama la hankal ma.
Yeah.
Kama guys ora record de bomba ma ni no one da understand yila ma.
Okay.
Until ka blogger ma explain
break down,
le bam break la down. Ko nye kama de wula fa se gada ma ya. O tia kama ni na on ti ti dagbam.
Wow.
Agbayabo. Donc il t'achète les yerma. Désolé pour carrière là. Adi la wala la sa la reform general halini ni December. On te pas dans December ma même coulé. Kala coûte kama the next year kala start hustle. Non. Le tout a dit la caméra ka de wala bien bien.
Yes.
Agbayabo. Hal akubu you le bien mais ka de wala amebe.
Yeah, of course.
Agbayabo.
Gadang bien.
Bien. Bien tout ne ka te boire school fees.
Yeah, sure.
I can have a problem.
Of course.
So chilling is good.
Okay.
But chill with caution.
Hal shabian ba de man la come friends influence. O mama kama o ko nyel re ka ko pick friends out and they just go and miss
The nama.
handle the man karna kabla.
So bien sur chile.
Okay.
Chile ma. I'm a let's say I love it.
Okay.
Use some 20% chile.
I mean come an chile no nguna
The be affect that.
Okay.
Lugum bring chile.
Okay.
Amaka lugum aba wonta.
No, won't to
Aba pa fa se gadam. The tu na bona wonta pa.
Oh.
I ain't la fikar ko jina polo. Agba bo this uncle.
Ako ba mo suru na yeri to ashe.
Ay mam yer bisha to ku yar la industry ni yer biagu. Agba bo. Ay wonto.
Na o play to ashe. Okay, chan chele. Dia ku ba suru na yel sheli to. Okay, na chele. Tena chem Saturday ma. I mean no, Saturday ma balabo Electroland GH ma. I mean you had a concert there and it was crazy. Highlight it point man that feeling come bukulu some dem because something mad would have happened.
There's one thing in some in that man understand.
Okay.
In that point gene relation yalle. Ye point kabin chap comes out yi nyong politique na dagban.
Okay.
Karanye musically. First thing BNT so yere nyere fans gada.
Okay.
Am nyere man. Any company dinga yi kama de nyong polo.
Okay.
Internet dagban.
Okay.
Mu yan kere ba man pour first nyere fans gada.
Okay.
Ben zanganet zo ma pour agba bo fans gada zo mama ye dagban la. Agba bo so ben zangna ka tete zamzam. Dinin ka toxer kar viala.
Okay.
Kat di.
Okay.
Di bu viala. Ka ta karba yi te zone. Kama kan karba yi zone.
Kablable ya.
Da man ye ka pa yul ya shanga.
Okay.
So atinya ka yele comme ça kan na karnya musically. Ka fans gada nu garpone. Na wo zo de pass la tout fans gada. Ka fans gada vil ko de ngoma de for pa de tout besoin te be.
Okay. Ari kala jam.
Ayi.
Okay.
Mbe dire ça comme ça.
Okay.
Ama electoral mabrakana.
Yeah.
Business ma raviala.
Okay.
Agba bo. Minti ma to ko dealer to dealer come on 55,000. Bien gwa no sama. Chambre que down. 550 million.
To akara yelma.
Abagage.
Okay. To be part of that company, man.
The whole event.
Okay.
Teto di lor pa kama 55,000 Ghana cedis. Karna nang ma. Agbago. In face ma mi da yina chismam. Karagur kama de wula. Lala ni fu ngoma be company ma. Bunda kat zan jol so ma ya. Right person da shirba. Ya tim karponi.
Of course.
So how did you go? Man de ma ngom pobore ya no nim palla face gadam. Agbago.
Okay.
So gadam de shinyama. De tuni sizan salute ya. Now so yira na ba shakam.
It was crazy.
Samba mara palia. Kan so palge. Kam yerma ka de wula. Ni electoral ma on ne diamant bala. Ne palla Bukum Boxing Arena.
Aba. Nungo ma na samba na
I never free no wo yo. Agba bo na ba. Ne buka na Ankara.
So hal 50 Ghana ma ben dwelle na Ankara.
Bukum Boxing Arena. Gadam de shi nim yelma ne palia. Ne chelma wala to.
Biya sahay.
Ma yelma.
Karaso.
Agba.
Okay.
So gadam de shi nim yele. Tenen kay topam.
Okay.
Now on sorting your pag on the 25th Maya. Ghana nam ne gadam de shi tena basha.
Okay, go into the album. Let's go into the album.
Okay.
I mean, the performance on social media. I mean, looking at the streams, ma, album ma is less than a month now because show ma delicate. Looking at the streams, ma,
I mean, album ma didn't share. Didn't you share 3 years album streams? Come on.
You mean one day? No one day. A day. So catch on 2 days.
2 days. So okay. They 1 week streams.
Okay.
Didn't you share 3 years?
Yeah, you have me.
Streams.
Okay.
I know. I call your phone.
Let me piao.
Tindi we have my phone check out. One don't eat. One day can you now part 2 weeks. Very 2 weeks.
Okay.
Can you total streams? Can you share the number of the no the problem, mammy, you are the young man, the day bomb.
Languna.
Okay. So could that be to Jason at least in 20 years?
Okay.
Kid.
So the streams are going on. The streams are going on.
Yes, very well.
Okay, let's look at tracks. I mean, track by track. It's just the Kumala the one that come in the gym album and Shama. Before Katana Bukum Boxing Arena, I mean, the particular album then Dwala Shumania album. That's why I want us to talk more about it, ma. Tracks in it, man. Mantambo Biani, Kayindi Biani, I mean, Kabilin Biani, Ka Eren Koko remix with Shatawali. Every song in that particular album says the own magic angle, Shanga. Yendi seems to be carrying the album now. The way Yendi
no, for now. For now,
the way we need.
The Mala Yendi map of Borreka de Wula, Baranashir album. Because reaction, man, is flexing that performer. That thing I'm going to show me.
Come on, the name 2 days after.
2 days after, couple in Yilama. About the Uran come do how powerful Yendi the Sati, Yilama. And then that's one thing. She had that check of Fasikadam Yilama into Yendi Yamka de Wula. In Yamka de Wula, always fast gadami cha yendi love my increase abago last show nena yendi little another show in your difference in it,
of course,
abago come on last show yendi the organizer paid me 100 million and then he had about 240 million.
Wow.
Can feel it. Come on, they will on to some luxury can think you ma katonya double of it ma. The work out the will fans massage be fast academy. So the circumstance we invest in fast academy. We make the will new fast academy Lord Kawula.
Wow.
Okay. I'm a kind of no show. Can show with it.
Okay.
Can you show me the shop show?
So show you with you.
No, but to go to Muna. Man,
the one of wife, mammy, Tim, and Bohara was. Yes, I will make us so sure with Tibi.
Young man laugh about you.
Okay.
Okay.
You have Muna. Okay. The fire stars. Doctor Bayan.
Yes, I was
a bastard in you to our. Can you hear a bastard?
Solo. But advice, Mako. I'm concentrating on my own stuff.
Okay.
So I am concentrating on my own stuff.
Okay, very well. Then again, Tenakube on your own stuff. Ma, we going to Bukum Boxing Arena on the 25th, man. The Malaka man, Ankarana Maban respond man, Kanashama, the Mala 25th man. Wow. How ready are you?
Wumba. Anye Bukum Boxing Arena.
Okay.
The Malaka man, willing yellow.
Okay.
As against northerners shabambe Accra.
Okay.
With the southerners.
Wow.
The Jayella ma be yiponyo maka de wula. Let particular program shelting and no mama. Artists in Pamia ba show them. Let us know.
Okay.
Agbago. Then the artists in Pam events. La show, that's now so maya. The chamaka the them de la be media men ma sure. I'm a fast over muna.
Okay.
Ban yelman the man dima.
Okay.
No man don't do because that's why I buy a yimna. Me dim tabaka de gula. Nisa kuto santa bank kule. Kadivi.
Kaya.
Abago. Domi bishak comes a fast grand copy gila. The bank of fast grand makunda. Abago. Kazan the northerners makulenda. Abago. Fast mark of fast grand near your Sasha.
Okay.
Bemi na jindi ma vie.
Wow.
Abago.
Okay.
Because in your you know top media personnel in Accra. If I don't take time, this show will spoil my career.
Of course. In your Sammy Flex Namzahani yearly. I mean, so many of the influential bloggers in Accra.
Thank you. Should be careful with this social onion ngoma.
Yeah.
Abago. So for Ghana nation no can born yele kama de wula. Yi nyuli nzangoma.
Okay.
Yi zabele nzangoma. Domini into the card de man fix la show with absolument pour one don EP.
Okay.
Concert man.
Okay.
Lala Accra show moi tellement fixé le 2 months ago.
Okay.
Because Lala absolument dit before comme maintenant starting and promoting one don EP concert na dans Tamale Sports Stadium.
Okay. Okay.
Abago.
Yeah.
So la date madam point yimna. But at the day ka other events because at yina the same date.
Okay.
Ankara min balao
Yeah.
ya pa dagban kayan ka de wula fansa gada ma la show ka so gwa karate sel show de la ma nang la fansa gada zamba be fansa gada men nang la de la ma zamba because so ma la show ka fansa gada ya yina intesel show Ankara bala
Mon kan ku yino yibu.
o yimuna
Kare so.
fight your own fight in Ankara muna agbago
Yes.
so fans man so se de be yina ka ta proof point come de wula te basa music industry ma ya is alive.
Okay. Okay.
No,
nyarlela.
The 21st ma gina fe nyelenga. Kabnya ka de wula yo. Shata wale ko nyelo shata wale. Ka sa ko de yo sa ko de. Ka fansi garam yo fansi garam.
Ka rula ma ba kunye rula. Ndabye male nyela ya. Ndabye male nyela. I mean, come on, shata wale dinma. It seems to be basically free ko mbelema. The charges in it ma kunye la arabialango. And my own is at 50 Ghana cedi. Fancy 50 Ghana cedi.
Yeah.
So you sure the fans ma would definitely come through for it.
You don't get it. Anya last week in Tamale Sports Stadium.
Yeah.
Tra print la over 50,000 like 5,000 VIP ticket and it was 50 cedi.
Yes.
Womo. Ka prenti come on 6,000 be 7,000 regular.
Yeah.
Agbago. Ka VIP ma zati nagi kan yirma bore
VIP tickets.
Kaya never je regular.
VIP Cup Kubora. So even if it means just paying in cash.
Cash.
You are
very well cash. So let them say Maranyam ya. Kahasan them Kanda 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na. Kabasana na. Kabadaba na.
Karasu.
Land anyale. Can you piara? Land anyale can you piara?
So you could understand.
The Urakama de Wula, they are ready to go to any length just to support Fasigada.
Wow. Apart from Mfiemaya, Nela Mal Supian initially yala. I mean, Niveau Shaban fixes show around the same date, ma. They are the same people we try competing with. Dite Kana in the major awards in Ghana. Okay. So if we are able to come and to fight them in days that been fake places that we begin to feel come and comfort zone mbala. Kata mean by fixed date ni ma na kata ba have successful show. To mean by net meeting in a category in our award.
Because we nation.
Come and tend up.
Katin yele.
Okay.
Abago. Show ma depend la. You know the career of Fasigada.
Okay.
Check out together Yamale.
Okay.
Show shelf Fasigada near no mama. Then you independent Fasigada music career.
Yeah.
Be young money and will Fasigada. They pay good Fasigada show.
Okay. Okay.
Abago.
Very well.
Divi Chanfe Yanga. This are.
But you know ya should not put the side.
Oh ya na ko Saba.
Okay. Okay.
Be the mala like overhype in yale.
Young man shirku nyale.
Young man shirku nyale.
Okay.
Agbago.
Okay.
Bande nan kati show man successful when yaka de boy ndo zoma ya vumbioni.
Washir daha.
Oda.
Okay.
Agbago. Me dit à l'occasion de un fan comme ça, il y a un bon moyen. No, vous me caviez de face gadam da.
Okay.
Un fan comme ça, il y a un bon moyen. Vous me caviez de face gadam dit la vie. Face gadam ça, la show. Carapi.
Kaya.
Agbago.
Okay.
So, franchement, de mal à y aller.
Okay.
Domini. Man so bi puni ndi tal ka de wula iya yim na tatapso
okay before katana de irin kaman show ma attach me maybe a video from the album ma mbor man yer kaman irin around kaman sokritafu no ma I mean influential people shall ban dole kaman like ban whole GH industry ma kaman entertainment industry ma they seems to have their eyes on you more than other ones ma ami anyar la
nyara be yar ma kariya abim shartale sokritafu yel ma kaman de man fas gadam no believe man ni sala
karasu
no le makarmala ka de wula I am from a different planet because biñu changana nang de makarmala o collect media men ma ignore yel ma ya de zabromen
wow
because ni I am just like whiskey
okay
mumbu la lire ma kama irin shata wale be irin sako de no mu zama chaya no Africa should hear from Fasa Ghana agba because only la magic shelter da nan zanto onda en chika ban ma unveiling because dala bunda make my ambassador for tourism ma munenda garto no karsan
okay
nuga pune
yeah
sharanye valishali over domino he believe in me ka ministry ma said no I'm from the north
and what are you bringing on board
what am I bringing on board ko yoba ya nyama lele zuma I believe in him
wow
so nene ka show wa okay mbla mi so Christopher muni affiliation
mumo targa tanam tete ma fi
danama
okay because he's not even us
mumpa dagbana omi ka no origin
but ka believe in us
ka believe in us ka believe ka de fast gadam de shebe ya pam
of course
and they can compete with anybody in Ghana
okay and this time endorsement man kana shama they are just considering numbers so pumpo nguna deeper kana northern region the man la kaman it is sealed down she be consider fans Ghana first pumpo the person some the fans Ghana in billboard na ma endorse Caribbean Caraba okay that's what we're looking for so ha meet ganga kat data lan kalab na I mean we just taking the show Bukum Boxing Arena ma jungle kati me maybe can you some video shell and some drop presenta kalab na ti labna there's another one we talking about but nti ma ka bang na wona something if you pack on the 25th Bukum Boxing Arena 50 Ghana city ya tena yara artist shabayin supporti the program ma time shall near starti maybe God willing and next week pulu nelanya Hassan Al Hussein ntepa jama magasio zonuma magasio friends
no
they are friends to maka unjim dia baba deluru But share that my kama iri mimi magasio no my problem ma baba deluru mbona ya kama like kama banguna banzani
aba understanding tenembi yara resource
the fire resource
ni yalle tilla ni yalle
no yo abela yalle
mbone experience resource ma ka
no desire pas solo
to
ame Saturday tell
Baby, me and you go share my money. I go take your pain to see you smile.
This Christmas, all roads in GH will lead to the Bukum Boxing Arena for the biggest musical concert to hit Accra. After filling up all the event centers across the north, the master entertainer, multiple award-winning Starboy, the Pakilana, Pride of the North and King of Northern Music, Alhaji Wandon Fancy Gadam, will storm Accra on Xmas Day to shut down the Bukum Boxing Arena with his Wandon concert. Yes, oh yes, the Fancy Gadam Wandon concert live in Accra on Christmas Day, the 25th of December 2021 from 3 p.m. sharp, where my Gadam Nation fans come and experience world-class performances from the nation champion, the ruler Wandon Fancy Gadam. Gadam, plus the young bull, Fadlan,
the legend boy, Richard, Abu Sadi, Dan
Shotika, Nanki,
Shatamichi,
and many more. Grab your advance tickets at the Bukom Boxing Arena for a cool 50 Ghana cedis regular
and 200 Ghana cedis for VVIP table reservation.
Come experience the best of the best this Christmas at the Fancy Gadam One Dawn concert. Call 0244 697529 to reserve your tickets. One Dawn concert, Bukom Boxing Arena, Accra. Be part of another historic event with Fancy Gadam.
Saya baby warma ya la launa tallahi mama manya advertisement Bukom Boxing Arena na wonna something if you pago on the 25th history ma mbalama ya ka Fancy Gadam lele ni yelma na ar chaka tabiyan mala ngummu na hal Michael Jackson de labla no no show Ankara dendelma ne Gadam nationals ma ya na Bukom Boxing Arena hal bi ta ba sharga de be nye space na redwania tan kana ti yel about it in VIP ma 200 Ghana reservation ma nirbo pamalla concerts about it but kan labna ta puka pa amena sin food spices ne lesi tomato Mr. Red katiem puka po pamya Mr. Red okay thank you so much asabre da manda bu to kana suna ba don ko intiga me dinin ka bor mutu na da kar kunyi absonic mutu balle kamsa Habib Ben Ali nyin pang maman ka chang Mr. Red san onyala ngumbi wata wasa pal dama so puika na para na about I left opposite feel free bama ni mana ka Mr. Red be ya mutu balle kam ka ibora imama puka nyale imama to ken nyale be yelo nyale ku pang maman ka paga yapulu Mr. Red san ya thank you so much alaji na kwaji ka bundo ya na chuma za hanan banyi ne suna shelton da nan mami na da babi mata te mama mi ta fama za hana ne to alafiya yes maybe tile yin na ganin hati ga san jana Mr. Red Millisi tomato mix ye to aya but tana ko biene te min wan ton ma Ahmed Mujahid Bello rula ma po hanna yori tabya katiye te de show ma ta ci kallam na do ye to ashel de bien mu kuru borno yelle kan men tin don wona ndele men telle because mu borno jabe min gadam la mal problem was nda wo me no call shanga jabe asan da receive la call shanga la call ma ka call sondage parce que garam bukto call ni awa jabe mo la mo call kartinye dang you to no pan solo dile ko congratulate ma be da loro
dinga shamnyam ka diwula anye Gadam Nation be 5 minutes to be yet too much
okay
tenant the resource
okay
fire ten several examples
ka resource ne takana
katizan wo
okay okay
so management na resource na yina ma
okay
ndem be so kan
aba ai la bala no nyinela jaman wu ya nyinela daluru ngata mina na mai
no mo be ne ndelo ye resource
okay o resource la nyaye
e di ko nya resource awu da wu we mu sha
aba
kada me su ku cheki su ya ai na iko yer ka kontra wo impo na I male ne fo karle
lao bo yelti bu ba
ai ba yala wa
mu kam ya gbaru ma yelo lapsi okay Tilamana show ma punia. We're looking at Bukom Boxing Arena. It is confirmed 25th date, madam. Let's look at the time.
Okay, so
time show money started time shele.
For can yell time ma be show money start sham. Tamala crew shele.
Okay.
Team shele Accra.
Okay.
Kan yella banning mbe the errands pony.
Okay.
Banner to show ma be shakam.
Very well.
Agbabo. Ayana.
Okay.
Sakambala. Agbabo.
Ayana. Okay.
You know yo.
Busumamba.
Agbabo. Fajo.
Okay.
Karachi Joe Karga.
Okay.
Karachi Adam Simi. Aga karachi you know Fatao.
Okay.
Mapra.
Okay.
Nta banne man kunye pamba. Bambe show ma Tony.
Very well.
Tony Ambishao.
Yeah.
Ito shaka ne ya ankara na maza umi Ambishao.
Okay.
Brabo no so no 69 boss.
Okay.
Pumpu opangela Gadam Nation boss.
Bia yo hamme.
Mbujam da ma.
Ah, kula sister na.
Chief. Ama yo wakama. Nam mpura.
Ah, wura karaka.
Mpura nam ne kana shaba onyela yemang ma ka dwenel. Agbabo.
Jolsubun ko.
So when that bonus so 69 boss la. Pumpu ko you lambo 69 boss.
Gadam Nation.
Oh, you the Gadam Nation boss. No, man is not about to. Gadam Nation boss. Agbabo. Banning nye bambe jama pour zasa nkuto tam sahana sahana go sam pour you know bankam sa no kube show you know gongongel pune the pour zasa agbabo to ma show ma dey start la 3 o'clock
zawone other ones man could start at time shell
after prayers
okay
me and dey start at 3 o'clock ma ya but you do dem ma buy by 3 o'clock ndio ma sa juya
okay
dina karngela abora ticket hal dindal asbasan za ticket ma dinya de yambe fenma
okay
agbago
that means asbasa antu chang limane
inte dal
hala na kumal 2-3 rounds na
antu na attendance
okay by 3
but nzo enzania
okay
1 week to the show
okay
fasigana munti maza yambe lankara
okay
so aku boarle ka quality tima pour comme ça ya benyala ba yanti karpaga nene bol niveau chef yuma zasa amal be zasa contact ba ma ka call ba ticket ma nyala di yambe ban ma zasa ne
okay very well
agbago
okay
so ticket ma de nyala dem to yina
okay
agbago din yina ngoma ya ba ma ka de nyala ma pra na baka mala ka bolo amal fataw namba walela kaburu you know fajo you know saka yoyo
okay
agbabo banum masasa banba
okay
sikitma
the baby son okay
right.
That's very great tilamna kan nyanya banu I mean atisha banyen beautiful okay tina yelma reservation ma 200 Ghana la
wow
explain na kan nyanya ban shaw come on the man la shamna ban yele clearly do the last interview ma I mean you find some time to explain
yeah,
200 Ghana bela
entirely mfan son ku champion mani
okay
enti cheka yule
okay
ka mun kedu nga wapuni ntana video
okay
yar nyirba kama de wula reason why de cheka fasa garam tan 200 Ghana cedi denma
wow
la 200 Ghana cedi ma ya ai ke bu ma puni
okay
ai nyam ka banan glass shell
okay
asansan dama
okay
glass nyam ba mun kra ma be lam
okay
agbabu
okay
the last time right now the last 2 years right now aranye kwa de wula 14 minister muno deputy kana you know Aji Alima muno nyanga kabakana kananche nanema
okay
bangel ban kana la programme so apone
of course
so banma katen kwami kwami etwa agbawo no man kom katen you know agbawo ha
okay
anto nkoto 2 million mago ko total 20 million
be shamna to no
oh yes
of course
amega ta so banum zo chekata nang la 2 million ma
okay
ka fans ngo zo kata nang la 2 million ma agbawo because niru panda to understanding kaya ne wula ka fans ka no show ma ka 2 million biara puni banum le nda 2 million ma bayenda ba kan payara ma
okay bammi it is not just open for all
no hal te ko harle te mila tien ko harle inte shapa
okay all right the muna de no very clear so di kunun ka bought ticket ma den yala 50 Ghana cedi but I feel in come agba borma na ajin la asansan ma
abona want ma so
agba banga na asan ma you no go over you in January so agba den muna nyine piga ma ka tel pita de sorte po ya ka papam again artist banyen tapson because den da no yongo ma me artist it was just about surprises but trust me the surprise was beyond imagination because there are no yatin to harsham because there are kumila di yenye surprises di partially 2-3 artists no but to get the likes of Edem I mean Nautica I mean Shatamichi I mean
Kelvin
Boy to come to Kabayul Kabil Pune I mean that was more than a surprise.
Wow.
Similar thing is happening in Accra.
Yeah, so frankly speaking, nizali show ngoma ban contact no jam bu box arena ma be suya kaso kami no to dem jama
okay
agbabo
yeah sure
so faramata ntima ku select la 1 or 2 people
okay
Shabanzan pa jingle ma pune amer jingle ma angum lela ba shaban ka tap song ma officially to invite Shabala ma but hey biggest surprises are coming
aba
mbe ya she that's my papa
okay
I hear people now I understand them. Some big artist is coming through
lambala
come on big artist
when you say big
tiara not look at big ni muhambala
ni muhaza
oh yama I want to support your concert
ma banyala yar ma dara kare yo kashi video nim chan banya video nim
agba
because Shatamichi post mu ku ma
kaula ashi ko post wala ni shamza mbala
ede won change no Facebook cover picture ba dere banyale
wayo
crowd ba
banyale
dum jerum baba de dum jerum borfor ya dol yalal ka chapse fo nyaga ya jakante ga ka bang na won sorti ye pa go on the 25th ma yes 25th ma Saturday nyale Saturday nyale ni time ma nyale 3 PM gate ma de yoya tin ji sa hashel ngo ka bor advance tickets Ankara tumpum mi bambe show ye to apune especially Gadam Nation nama just contact any of them na won gafara anyela ngun yenye a advanced tickets there ya but no surprises ne biri pour pam telantam na yila ma to palla muna album apune ya
okay
I mean songs ma Mantambo seems to be discerning minds bolma pam yila ma apune
wow
and hashab call ma kaman na non bleaching me nyaba kabo be samban ne bi USB Canada my brother called me from Canada I mean na non nyoko yela ma that particular yila ma no borman nku yela na kaman God bless you for that particular song.
Wow.
He wished that people will listen to the song and try to reflect on the lyrical example of Biago.
Wow.
I mean, we all know that Dahmanyele, but let's go into the song.
Well, you. Mantambo, 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 mantambo.
Mantambo,
mantambo, mantambo,
mantambo,
mantambo, mantambo, mantambo. Dabe no tikanage.
Wayo,
Osuli yango buzabu urutaba.
Odayal me no tikanage.
Yitu me dangma
Kayo butaba.
Odala yel yanache yinandi atoni. Yinan monyanga. Kawula kachengu yanandi atoni.
Kanye kuro nyanga suwa.
Madere tuka bang yilidi.
Karatava kava bobe.
Beka bongma yilidi.
Karatava kava bobe.
Bang yilidi.
Kavatava kava bobe.
Beka bongma yilidi.
Karatava kava bobe.
Amata kwala ta
Belchinsi. Nzante di ni piensi. Wayo. Te kwala ta belchinsi. Nzante di ni piensi.
Kani wula. Bumbula pasara na chimba. Tazang sole champang taba.
Wayo.
Sudongo su
Katukumda.
Te yele kam
De labla nyanga. Wayo.
kwala
Te belchinsi. Nzante di ni piensi.
Investment bon.
To ngumda.
Zong piala.
Womana.
Ne zong sabla. Ne daniya de vela. De mal oyala.
Okay.
Te gum te zela. Ne yatartulla.
Wayo.
De che kaso yala. Ka lapso. Ne kapa yuno kon doa de biyarga.
Wayo.
Tama pa yuno doa de bi. Ngono ku bukata.
Wayo.
Ni be pam kong be nyavia. Tukuto kalbang kong nyavia.
Allah
Ama solo yenye de tila. Na karguna yang maltitia.
Wayo.
Yunkurum buna kata bosu dongo mam bom
Bom bom bolije. Wayo.
ata tata mang titi tunzun ne makaba
Mal tinje.
ni tam ya ni dang panjo bu
Gurgur nesuno. Wayo.
tibu mal taba sonko to malti
Allah akbar.
dang panjo bu
Gurgur nesuno.
ti chakata yung yala balante yung din dong ni
Wayo.
tama dang yini dokuru yini
Wayo.
kata gangani
Wayo.
ne yindil ma nyara emotions
Emotions be repune.
dama dang yini dokuru yini
Wayo.
kata gangani te yite fini
Kaya.
te kwa la te belchinsi
Ay.
nzang te di ni piensi
Wayo.
te kwa la te belchinsi
Nzante di ni piensi. First yeah last verse ma. Last verse ma den kambora. Last verse ma chaka nyanya lo she pulo no bona start kan feel le fin yalanga. Let me see. Ya pulo de sare ba.
nanon ti ke jara te le
Pem yandamba.
ayam bazil le chekar
Karma le yambanga.
mun te wum ji
Mamono mbaro wodo arba.
de tumba na vi kana zang
Ntumtuma. Kaya.
Mr. Politisa atuma nyala
Officer. Wayo. Nyama officer.
yi manu kache nam nam yen
Dosa. Kaya.
te da fanam la
Allahu akbar.
ba man ki tam nuwa
Le sonti na dua. Kati yala ma kamalya. Oh, te kwala te belchinsi. Ay, ezante di ni kezi.
nanon ti ke jara te le
Telem yandamba.
ayam bazil le chekar
Chekar male yambanga.
mangun te wum ji
Mangono mar wodo arba. Wayo.
de tumba na vi kana zang
Ntumtuma.
ay Mr. Politisa
Aya.
atuma nyala office
Officer.
yama politisa
Wayo.
yimanu
Kache nam nam ye dosa.
tinye shamzam
Oh, yes. I can understand your emotions, ma. Jakati chelele den ma self. Kallam na tete ga ka bang na wonna something. If you pagi on the 25th mbalama ya na won ga fara asabre dal kalele dabsel ngoma ka de yelu bukum boxing arena sol kom kun la nimani ya ankara ya den ka ku bi halka so ma bo bolma na won ga fara na asabre dal ma asaba sa 11 zaha na won gafara ne ban ne benima ne ya lala nyele kam madina ni ma ashama ne ma katema ne ma agbobolo shunguna ayo korombala ma ya hey hal shab kol ma kan nyela amin dagbambe be amin dagbambe be ankara pa hal shab kol ma kan nyela kaman residential areas kababi and they are saying that they are bringing their families to come and get a show like this man.
Oh yeah.
And December seems to be a festive season.
Yeah.
Never pull up happen because no other shows ma than no ma. No ka December karana. So 25th March seems to be a holiday.
Holiday, everybody is free.
Oh.
Okay. So no kuto kutamshale. Sister.
Okay.
Accra. Sister na ma. Oh yeah man no no idana no be.
Okay.
Be nyala ba yankana enter tap la particular program.
Wonderful.
Karaje Ajia Ashama.
Okay.
Mama.
Ajia. Tinchang.
That's all. Baza man shile. Never can't tap some program. So that when comes down fu bia dagbanzo.
Okay.
Iba didn't bala iba buto ngir saka na to university kadam jama. Tamal maya. Iba didn't bomba.
Okay.
Agbawo.
Yes.
The two ka de wula, you know, East Legon ka be, you know, Nima, Fadama, Newtown. Mami la area na mazasa. Dagban comes down be Ankara. Itakai even bomba ya.
Time ma fabono.
Dinamba.
Okay.
The two be yina fenyanga. Katishaka Ghana number ka de wula. Tiba kubia me alive.
Okay. Yes. On that last interview, man, other element it is possible, and that one would depend on the success of this show. That VGMA this year, and maybe 3 awards this year. I mean, half 4 side music video awards, man, this year, man, because you've dropped classic of videos. They don't take any video category company. It is possible you go VGMA this year.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
But that would depend on process, man.
Mama, didn't come, mama, me, come out of Malaka, they were to do as well.
Okay.
Karta chebia ni tapazwa ma. Agba.
Okay.
So tende ku na ga bukum boxing arena kan na successful.
Okay.
Zol ma ta dum tam zo sama.
Sergu kwala.
Bo kabuya boku to dojiti. Kata shabe nominations ma puni.
Okay.
Agba bo. So to me nomination. Aba gadam de shit that ya.
Oh na nga.
Aba.
Okay.
So ngono ma mi za senyen check up to recognize it.
Okay.
Agba because show ma media ma za bia puni. Didn't successful. Bukuto dojiti.
No, of course.
Agbawo.
Of course.
Tamadi bi chonfe nyanga. Buyen oyama do kubia ya.
Tamalo kunyele.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
No, rule mi ya no bi dagbango.
No, ka ya Gadam Nation.
Gadam Nation babo. Okay. Yes, ya ozan yama tin ya so do palla yin misani ha. Bar hal nirbi yelma ba kaman ankara ma kaman. Nir zabar baba bunda yelle kaman like yon shuma. Nir puluma kaman nir yelma taba danga. So ni kaman like you couldn't have fixed another show another day better than day shall kan no ma. So hatta mal muma de mala bishaba bibin non ni mo hay beto kula hanye dashi ankara ma.
Ba wadu cha ankara ma.
Bibin non di mo hay.
Bibin non di mo hay. Ankara ma gwana non ni mo.
Kuma hanam yalman da bacana takura de nam na bakana ko forudu thank you so much. Ko forudu nam ko la.
Abamale.
Oh no. Pansolo tumta.
Chama samba.
Ko forudu nam ko la.
Chama samba ti salutia. Salutia.
Now zone tam.
Chama samba no zella bas ko forudu.
Be yelma, be boelma.
Inja on va fansma. Nkambo no kan la particular programme wa pour ya. Na in kela bas ba yuale.
O mo kusella bas.
Nous avons lagre. Nous zal bas.
This show ticket kan ko en sang su.
Apa ga da ticket tu.
Ina loro nguna.
Ayi, na ka problem.
Tupaya. Yes, to sama ku garamaya but quick one kanang berngotuma. Israel yilama wala go la face ma. Handa minora nang la interview kan bon no nang le ko o tamdela lines ma and that seems to be a great line.
Abore man, ha man tamdela. Ko ba yapa.
Ka biara karamalia.
Ni yam ne wala. Kada la lagre palla le kawli. Ni so ku piale nu ni ko ke pa.
No zanma, zanaka bo ha shaw. La yetu amuma ya. Wazu punu ka yele be hadisi shel punu ka nyale.
Ayi.
No, kaman la ma yetu alama.
Nyama ka de wula. Always. Ni sen mi tu ko meltaba. Legre taale.
Oh.
Dang. Legre wornde ba.
Hayya.
Hal ni sen muno pa.
Kash ni tu.
Legre wornde amale. Ananga amale ka ta ka legre. Oyi.
Den ya example ya.
Digar million. Ababo. Amra zo sibo isusuni. I bien kare nyaksa. Continue legre. Ka village la ka ta new friends.
Oh.
Ababo. So den man ku wi la onda ko izang yila mana kan ku wi jago pune. Legre nyem me mejoma. Kayni wula. Kada la legre palla le kawli. ne so ku tale nu ni ko ke padi.
That question is more than you, Gadam.
Ay.
Ni mo kan yara.
Amna zo yi kuti wala ko tinyali. Anu gum la de damle. Ama kar lamle.
Oyo.
Lagre worande mabilgo ye. Den no la worande so semle ye. Lala no kare wargere jiji ni tale den to la wargere ni no nyale. La fuka pamba yule gar ko ga. De bob mo she ka ban de tab samba. Drama na woni tanya voli. Na la fe ye me vi nyale akoble ni. Angbagi. Dama anama jemi.
Soyla bien. Allahu akbar. Ticha tale. Kama ya abayil darna.
Anama jemi.
Oh.
Iti chang. Machel du tunya. Machel nim sale. Ta fori mande kurpotu. Iti chang. Na kala ya chapolo ya cham na kwa du tunya nya. Na kwa nzala.
Michara na zore.
Thank you. Ngorta na zore. Bazara karate ma ngorta na zore.
Ni mama yaya.
Kacha ni kwenche kaba gongba.
Ona kanungo tonwele.
Anya bishan chicken. Abuga bishan mane. Machel na mane.
Na kwa na ma. O awelta ba. So so berzabe.
You come machel nyawa.
Oh, I don't want.
So njendu ngala.
Okay.
Mpila sai. Agbabo. Ne machel nyawa ma ya. Ni to understand lo de pula ka machel ma jina.
Ko shabra le no long tnya.
Ka long nyawa.
Machel ko nya.
Mbayil nya machel.
Okay.
Mbayil mbama yila salgana.
Okay.
Salga bobondele dinye denderma.
Okay.
Bobondele me makira.
Okay.
Agbabo. So kama yongo dinye yongo tembole me machele ni.
Okay.
Abi agatla.
Okay.
So salga. Ni mutum salga ni.
Okay.
Makira na fito.
Okay.
Halte family house na ya rembe.
Okay.
Salga.
All right. The tupu ya ka papa mnete sahama gare ya. Yes. First man ya dele kada la palla.
Kada la palla le kawli ni soko jale nu ni ko padi. Amana zo yikudi wala ko tinyali. Anu gumla de damle amakar lamle. Lagre wurndi mabilgu ye. No la wurndi zo semle ye. Dala no kare wargere jiji ni tale de to la walgni no nyale. Dama la fuka pamba yul gar ko ga. De bobu ngo she ka ban na tab zamba. Drama na woni tanya veli. Na la fe yim fi nyale ni akoble ni. Ambagi Anama Jenny. Oh, no swell ya de to ya. To sama gare ya. Nya gadam national asma be yel mama num bohama nya. No pool party sheda no na wum de yera. Be yel num bohama worun wande be bor num bohale. Halka nawo halka kam mahma so ndu bor ba ka be yel num bohale non ku yi den kap ko tan ma message mo. Ai ma nya ver. No na yere na be yel ma pool party to. Ai Abi yes no yell pool party to. Tene ni pool party shedden dan mawlo ni bora pictures me videos. Ai man nu carbone. Okay. Man be miri to. Man ngun ya. Okay. Man bukum box arena. To te paye box arena. Du kontiar man de samba. Tekati yesar ka fu ka famu kamza handen ka tarka badin chan programme ma fu yala. Yes, den nan kan next people chana Amin Hassan Al Hussein Tepa Jamal. We would meet again kataba yele in an event man in shamne tickets man in shamne t-shirts shabwara de yala ya. Thank you so much for doing the monitoring Ankara sa hanang bangindi na tis ang new viete bagi ala 25th mambala. Then we come to ka historical concert ma kada garam national mazan hafa and thank you so much Abigail MFA muni ya be studio nchaka cameras ma kada chan fe yala nga tupu ya ka papam Ahmed Yalangombe MCR ma, thank you so much. And whoever is supporting the program, we're most grateful. Shahid, yes, Shahid Yalangombe Zora advert ma promo. Thank you so much. And Tepa Afeko Jubuatin, CEO of AKB Multimedia, and who all support the program, we most appreciate it. Thank you so much. Marhaba. Yen nan dan biye salma ka bambo hagar kobga ni durgo tanso ka nu zapar ma to ma ali kunde sharkam ya san me yim ka satano kul ko la ko go man pa